Hi, it's Timo. In the last video, I used ChatGPT to help Laura develop her skills to become a talent acquisition manager. Let's use AI to generate more skill enhancement ideas for Laura. Next, I will use AI to help Laura enhance her knowledge of data analysis tools like Tableau, as data-driven recruitment is increasingly important. First, I'll give ChatGPT a role. And it's here. Let's copy paste. Your experienced career coach, HR specialist, LinkedIn specialist, and data analysis expert. Do you understand? Let's send the message. And let's use the second prompt. I'm a talent acquisition specialist. How can I use ChatGPT to enhance my knowledge of data analysis tools like Tableau, as data-driven recruitment is increasingly important? Let's send the message and let's see what happens. So now it says generates tips, basic concepts and tutorials, advanced techniques, data-driven recruitment insights, problem-solving queries, resource recommendations, practice exercises, keeping updated with trends. Okay, let's actually use third prompt. Please recommend me some online courses. And it's doing research. Let's pause the recording for a minute. And here we go. Fundamentals course on the official website. Intermediate course. Advanced course. Udemy courses. DataCamp course, introduction course. Yeah, nice. It even gives the duration of the courses. Yeah, highly useful. In the next video, we'll continue to use ChatGPT to implement Laura's job search plan. Thanks for watching.